Welcome to a garden where nothing goes to waste and everything returns to the earth. Today we're diving into a regenerative loop, where maintenance becomes nourishment, and every trim feeds the soil's soul. Yesterday I trimmed my plants not just for airflow and growth, but to begin a cycle. Instead of tossing the clippings, I gave them 3 new lives. First, I used the healthy trimmings as chop and drop mulch. This simple act mimics nature's leaf fall, protecting the soil and feeding microbes. Next, I placed some in a bucket with holes layered with old soil and nestled it into a raised bed. Rain provides moisture and worms do the rest, breaking it down and returning nutrients to the soil. Finally, I submerged the rest in water for a few days. The result? A natural fertilizer tea. After using the liquid, I dig the remaining material into the soil and cover it, completing the cycle. This isn't just gardening, it's reciprocity, a loop that honors life, decay, and rebirth. And the best part? It needs very little outside input. If you're ready to garden with nature, not against it, start small. Observe, reuse, regenerate. Your soil and your soul will thank you. Subscribe to The Wormy Garden for more sustainability tips. Happy gardening.